What's up, guys? Joe over here, Jag RC Outdoor Adventures. We got Aiden here. Aiden had his ear surgery done. He was a good boy. He made it through like a trooper. So we rewarded him with a truck. Well, yeah, because he's been wanting a TRX4. And went to the hobby shop today, and this is what they had. They had the Traxxas TRX4, and it's got the bonus. Comes with the tires. It's got a light kit on it. It's got the whole roof rack assembly, everything. This truck is super cool. We got full-time lock differentials on it. Traxxas did a nice job on this for like a bonus package. It's only a single speed transmission versus like the Bronco or the Blazer with the 2-speed transmission. This one's only got a single speed. It's got aluminum GTS shocks on it. With the Traxxas, it has a 76-degree extreme capability angle for climbing. It's great with a 3S LiPo battery. That's what we're going to be running. Today, we're just going to put a 2-cell in it, though. We're not going to be running the 3-cell today. We're just throwing a 2-cell in it. It's raining outside, and it's kind of not that great. So we're going to stay indoors.
It's dark.
Yeah, and it's dark out.
But
what's really cool...
no outside. It's just dark.
Right. But what's really cool, Aiden, on this one, what does this have?
Tracks.
And...
lights.
Yes! It's got lights. It's got back tail lights. It's got front headlights, and it has a light bar. All right, let's cut this open here. There wasn't any plastic on this box. This was the last one in the store.
No, the plastic was on my last box.
Right.
Yeah.
Getting out in the arena.
Oh, nice truck, Aiden.
Looks sick.
Yeah. That thing is epic. Holy cow.
Get this thing out.
Whoa. What the heck?
Those tracks look pretty cool.
Oh my God.
Please read before use. We don't need that.
That's junk. That thing's junk.
All right. Grab this controller out of the styrofoam here.
This truck is awesome.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and take off the body.
Yeah.
Gotta pull this pin. There might be a pin on the back.
Yep. Here you
Pin
go.
there, pull that.
Oh, cool.
All right.
Let me see
Let's
that
get this.
body.
Let me pull this plastic off,
Let me
Aiden.
see that body.
All wrapped in nice, shiny new plastic.
That truck
Is awesome.
Yeah.
Light kit.
God.
Aiden, you're not excited, are you?
Yeah, I am. I just love this truck.
Oh, the
What are you
wires for the
saying,
light
Daddy?
kit.
Dad, what are you saying?
What do you mean, what am I saying?
What are you saying in this video?
Now,
Oh, my truck.
this body
Let me
came
see
with the
that
lights
body.
already in it from Traxxas. It looks like they did a really nice job of the wiring here. Everything is tied up. I mean, it looks really good.
Wow.
This one has the front headlights. We got a light bar. And we have taillights. This body comes with some cool accessories already on it. You get the whole roof rack. You got your fuel tanks, fire extinguisher, your tools, your high lift jack, rescue board, your traction.
Let me see.
Actually, I don't know if those are the traction tracks or the boards. No, those are the boards. All right. Really nice setup.
Hey, look.
Now let's check out the controller. So this controller, this is a fully locked diff truck. So Your front and rear are already locked, so you don't have the selector switch as like on the regular TRX4. This is the Sport, so you're already fully locked, ready to go. All right, so like I said, this is the bonus pack for this truck, and you get tires with the 5-spoke rims, 1.9s. So you got the option of running tires on it or the tracks. So that is really cool.
Yeah. Truck that.
All right, let's get this battery in here.
Yeah.
Aiden, you got that transmitter on, bud? Did you turn that on?
Yep. So.
All right. So his battery in.
It's a pretty nice truck. I mean.
And now we just gotta grab the body here and get this light kit in here.
Put those pins in. Light kit charged and ready to go set it. Oh, that's cool. Whoa! Oh,
That's pretty cool, Aiden.
that's awesome. I get to drive.
Whoa!
Just don't hit the throttle yet, Aiden.
Yeah.
Let me get this thing in.
Don't want it going off the table when it's brand new.
No!
Nice, huh?
That thing's awesome!
Whoa! Cool!
Dude, this thing is
Sick.
epic.
Throw a couple pins.
Oh.
Guys, since it's the weather's not the best outside,
We set up an indoor course.
we just set up a little indoor course real quick. Just to mess around with this thing and have a little fun. I say we
All right, Aiden.
let's kill a couple of these lights. Let's just check out the lights on this thing.
Pins are on.
Bow,
Get rid of that one.
bow.
Get rid of that.
You just grab this switch over here. Just so we could check it out.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Cool.
Yeah. Set me up.
All right. Try the course. That thing climbs awesome. Whoa!
Looks like the tracks really grip pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, at least on the wood. All right, Aiden, now this one's going to be a little difficult. Got to get up and around that corner. Yeah, kick it back to the right.
Oh boy.
Go ahead, kick it to the right. Hold it all the way right. Keep going.
Full throttle.
Oh, all right. Back up. Climbs really nice.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. This truck is really nice. The shocks are nice. And the steering is nice. And I like how the body flips side to side.
All right, guys. Really awesome truck. Aiden, what are your last words?
Smash that like button and subscribe.